Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Power BI visualization platform to Improbado. Click on Power BI tile on the visualizations page. Here you will see your credentials and connection settings that we will use when establishing a connection later. First, you need to download and install the latest ODBC driver for ClickHouse from ClickHouse GitHub. The link will be provided in the description below. Then, run ODBC data sources tool and make sure the ClickHouse drivers Unicode specifically are installed. Create a new system DSN using ClickHouse ODBC Unicode driver. Fill in your credentials from Improbado connection settings page. If you work with large tables, you will probably need to increase the default timeout of 30 seconds to a range of 60 to 300 seconds, depending on the size of your table. Now, open Power BI Desktop app and click Get Data. Select ODBC source. Select System DSN we created on the previous step as a data source. You will see the list of available databases and the tables associated with them. Be sure to use tables with the AllData suffix in your reports. Thank you for your attention.